All right, this next one, well, this... Do me a favor, just scroll down. Just scroll down right now. A little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. More. To the video. Okay. Parking a U-Haul in parking garage. Can you play this for me a little bit here? All right, the U-Haul enters in a bit of a hurry here and is obviously a little tall for this parking garage. Hits the little warning thing and then runs into this pipe. Now, what do you think you would do in this circumstance? If that's you, what do you do in this circumstance? Is that what you do? Is that what you would do? You just start slamming into the wall?
That wouldn't be my first choice.
What? So why not just...
I'm guessing he drives a regular small car.
But why not just... Why not just go straight into reverse?
Oh, man. Is that poop that's raining on the U-Haul?
It's the sprinkler system that they have just destroyed by slamming.
But why is it so dirty?
Initially, what is in the pipes is gross. It's been sitting there for a while. It's like rusty. And now they're just getting rained on by these sprinklers.
Well, why does he keep going?
Can't see anything. And they're sideways now in the garage here. And
and there's two of them in there.
It's a crazy turn of events, and it really makes me question what led to this. What was the state of mind of the individuals involved? What kind of other things could have existed to cause this type of reaction? Like what? Just
the last one. The water bounces off the U-Haul.
It just goes slams head first into the wall. I mean, it was high stress situation. There may have been substances involved. I don't know.
Right. Yeah.
Because it just doesn't seem like a normal reaction to slam into something and then just keep slamming it. I don't. Like, is it some sort of...
The guy got out of the car. He's like, move 2 inches that way. He's like, oh, boy.
It's weird. I don't know. This is a crazy, crazy clip. Oh, man.
Wow. Okay.
It would be hard. Will, it would be hard if I said to you, do this thing worse than they just did.
Yeah.
What else could you do that would be worse than... I mean...
It's a worst case scenario.
Like every step of the way, it just gets worse and worse and worse.
Yeah. So what... Was there a...
No, the reasons are unknown.
There's no resolution?
None. Zero.
Okay.
This is one of those clips that definitely needs more backstory, but we may never find out. It's just from the security cameras.
Okay.
Yeah. No, you're not going to find it, man.